Before you get to work in Google Docs, you might want to take a minute to explore the different tools and features and learn your way around the interface. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick tour, starting with the area above your document. First, we have the toolbar, where you can access different shortcuts that let you work with your document. This includes undo and redo, the print command, as well as formatting options like font color and size. To view even more options, use the menus above the toolbar. These give you access to many of the same tools and features, but with a few additions. For example, under Insert, you can add headers, footers, and other special elements to your document. In the upper left corner, you can navigate back to Google Docs, or click here to change the title of your document. This is one of the first things I do when I create a new file in Google Docs. I change the title to something more descriptive. Finally, in the upper right corner, you'll find the Comments button and the Share button. These allow you to collaborate with other Google Drive users and quickly manage your sharing options. The last thing I'd like to show you is how to change your page setup options. You can do this right away before you get to work, or just keep the steps in mind in case you want to make adjustments later. First, open the File menu above the toolbar. Then click Page Setup. A window will appear where you can customize several different things. To change the orientation of your document, choose Portrait or Landscape. Landscape will position your document so it's horizontal instead of vertical. To adjust your margins, change the numbers here. I'm going to go with 1/2 inch margins instead of the default 1 inch, which will make them slightly smaller. You can also change the paper size depending on the type of document you plan to create. You can make the page larger or smaller. Just make a selection from the menu. When you're done, click OK. That covers the basics of Google Docs. Now that you know how to navigate the interface and access different tools and features, you can start using it to create documents of your own.
Goodwill Community Foundation, creating opportunities for a better life.